भाई हमारा इंडिया माहिर है गंदगी करने के लिए, जगह जगह पे फैलाने के लिए. दे वुड नॉट लिसन टू anyone. They will not. Is Taiwan bringing 1 lakh Indians? Really? Will that affect women's safety in Taiwan? You must be wondering why I am making video on this and why I'm talking about this now. I live in Taiwan and today I'm going to explain this without any exaggeration. So what is the scenario, why this is happening and now why it has become a very big news in social media. तो चलो शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. So why Taiwan is talking about Indian labor? तो पहले मैं बताती हूँ कि Taiwan is going through really a labor shortage. Yes, Taiwan needs labor for manufacturing industries, for companies, factories, for agriculture and especially for the elderly care. क्योंकि elderly care में like the aging population is going way too high, like way too faster. And for the past years, Taiwan already migrant workers पे dependent है for the elderly caregiver services and for the factory workers like Indonesia, Vietnam, Philippines and Thailand. So the demand has started rising faster than the supply. So now Taiwan has started looking for the new labor sources. So between 2023 to 2024, India and Taiwan has begun to focus on this issue and they signed a labor mobility agreement. The idea was to allow the migrant Indian workers to bring to Taiwan legally. And secondly, it was to focus on the blue collar sector, mainly who would come for the factory, caregiving and construction. This is similar to as the workers from Southeast Asia are coming to Taiwan, and similarly how Indians go to Germany or Japan to work as a blue collar job, as a blue collar workers. So now let me tell you what agreement was actually signed or what agreement was actually made. So India and Taiwan has signed memorandum of understanding which is MOU. जिसके important points है that it is not free for all migration. इसका मतलब हर कोई नहीं आ सकता. Next, number 2 point is that it is a controlled and phased program. That means first they will see like how this works and then only they will increase the number of people coming from India to Taiwan. And this would be done through the government approved programs. तो इसका मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि कहीं से भी लोग आके यहाँ पे एक्सप्लॉइट किए जा रहे हैं, उनको प्रॉपरली सैलरी नहीं मिल रहा है. सो दीज थिंग्स वुड बी टेकन केयर बाय both governments from India and Taiwan. So they will take care about the recruitment, their wages, their staying condition, कहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, क्या रह रहे हैं. तो all these things would be taken care by it. अब बात करते हैं why this has become a very big news. Because there were like misconception and the political reactions on this issue that 1 lakh Indians would be flooding Taiwan. They would be taking local jobs. They will exploit the culture of Taiwan or they will ruin the culture of Taiwan. So these were the exaggerated and false claims which started to bother local people. Like लोग यहाँ पे परेशान हो जा रहे थे कि oh my god, if these number of Indians would flood Taiwan, where would people go, how to handle them, etc etc, जिसके बारे में मैं बाद में बात करूँगी. So this I'm talking about for 2023 2024 because उस टाइम पे ऐसा कुछ भी डिक्लेयर नहीं किया था. These were rumors, these were spreaded rumors. 1 lakh candidates were not coming to Taiwan. They were not going to take the local jobs. इतने सारे jobs नहीं promise किए गए थे. Officially, Taiwan government has made sure that these number of people were not going to come to Taiwan. They would not take the local jobs. They were just brought to do those jobs in which the local Taiwanese were not interested. So it's just like a blue collar job. So what does it tell from the Indian perspective? Ki there would be much more job introduction, like jobs for Indians in Taiwan. It will strengthen the ties between India and Taiwan, and there will be a lot more destinations for Indians to go, like apart from Middle East or US, जहाँ पे लोग already as a migrant worker जाते हैं. So this is also opening an opportunity for Indian migrant workers. You must be wondering why I am making video on this and why I am talking about this now. Because I want to tell you like what happened earlier in 2-3 weeks back. This controversy exploded again because Taiwan government announced that 1,000 workers would be coming to Taiwan early this year, and that was a boom. अब क्या हुआ कि जब ताइवान गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंस कर दिया दैट 1000 पीपल वुड कम टू ताइवान, दिस वुड बी अ ट्रायल फेज, बट लोगों के दिमाग में फियर फैल गया. Why? They started to think that, oh my god, these many Indians would come, this would flood Taiwan. Flood Taiwan in the sense, भाई हमारा इंडिया माहिर है गंदगी करने के लिए, जगह जगह पे फैलाने के लिए. They would not listen to anyone, they will not follow rules and regulations, and these are hid by our media itself. तो ये हम किससे पूछ रहे हैं कि दूसरे कंट्री के लोग ये सब चीज़ों से ना डरे. आप खुद देखो कि इंडियन माइग्रेंट वर्कर मिडल ईस्ट जाते हैं, कहीं और जाते हैं इन अ स्ट्रिक्ट रूल रेगुलेशन, तो इतना वहाँ से न्यूज़ आता है. तो ताइवान के लोग क्या यहाँ पे नहीं डरेंगे कि व्हाट इफ दिस वुड इंक्रीज द सेफ्टी इशू. ओ माई गॉड, दिस इज़ द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इन इंडिया. और इसके बारे में मैंने पहले भी बात की थी मेरे अदर वीडियो में, दैट वाई आई स्टेड इन ताइवान. बिकॉज मैं यहाँ पे बहुत सेफ फील करती हूँ. एज अ वुमेन आई कैन wear anything, I can walk at any time of the day or night. I don't feel even like मैं मेरे पर्स में फ़ोन और मतलब मेरे मेन वॉलेट के लिए मुझे चिंता नहीं करना होता है. मैं कहीं पे भी छोड़ के चली जाऊँ एंड आई कम बैक स्टिल गेट माई थिंग्स देयर इटसेल्फ. तो ये सारे फ्रीडम वुड बी टेकन अवे. तो ऑफकोर्स कोई भी कंट्री डरेगी यार. Now, what has happened due to this is like online more than 35,000 of petitions were signed by the Taiwanese, by the local people here, not to bring the Indian workers to Taiwan. एंड ये एक सोशल फाइट ना होकर अब ये पॉलिटिकल फाइट हो गया है, जहाँ पे ऑपोजिशन गवर्नमेंट ताइवान में बोलती है कि यहाँ पे इलीगल माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स आर नॉट हैंडल्ड वेल. 80,000 प्लस वर्कर्स हैव लाइक आर रन अवे फ्रॉम द वर्क प्लेस. मतलब जिनका कोई ठिकाना नहीं, वो काम के लिए तो आए थे यहाँ पे, बट अब वो कहाँ गए, अपने वर्क प्लेस पे नहीं है, उनका कुछ रिकॉर्ड नहीं मिल रहा है. सो दीज गवर्नमेंट्स आर सेइंग फर्स्ट टू इम्प्लीमेंट स्ट्रिक्टर रूल्स, और उसके बाद आप माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स को यहाँ पे लाओ, सो दैट यू कैन टेक केयर और हैंडल एवरीथिंग वेल. Opposition government is trying to say is, first you take care of the migrant workers who are already in Taiwan, and then you bring the new workers. So this has turned into a national political debate, not just a labor issue, and जिसके वजह से इंडिया ताइवान हर जगह पे छाया हुआ है. सोशल मीडिया इज़ टेकिंग एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस टू फैलाओ रूमर्स अबाउट इट. क्योंकि मेरे खुद के चैनल मतलब खुद के वीडियोस में पीपल आर आस्किंग टू मेक वीडियो ऑन दिस, दे वांट टू क्लियर द थिंग्स. मुझे खुद कुछ DMs आए हैं रिगार्डिंग दिस, आस्किंग व्हाट इज़ करेक्ट और नॉट. सो आई थॉट लेट मी क्लैरिफाई दिस properly. So if you guys really want to know that what kind of jobs would Indians get, what opportunities are here for Indians, or what are the salary expectation for Indians in Taiwan, let me know in the comments that I would make a separate video on this. Also, I have listed all the sources from where I picked up the news in my description. So first go and check those news, read it before believing to any of the rumors and misconceptions. And do not forget to share, like and subscribe Story Tales. See you in the next video.